So what's up with Christmas bird counts? There are nearly 2,500 counts across North and South America, and it's a special day when people go out and count every bird they can see or hear.
White hermit thrush.
Yep.
Robin.
Yep.
Bluebird.
In this case, we're counting birds in Area 3, San Francisco, which includes the Presidio and some of the surrounding neighborhoods. So come take a peek at the wonderful world of San Francisco birding. Birding brings you to a lot of interesting spots, you know. It tends to be that birders often know these areas better than the average person. We have a reason to come here, looking for these places that a lot of people might have forgotten about. And those are the places that the birds love. Hear it? Yeah.
I'd love to be able to stand soft.
That's it. Song sparrow, ruby-crowned kinglet, another ruby-crowned kinglet, probably a half dozen or dozen sparrows of white crown and golden crowned. Fox sparrow over there. We're here looking for a mockingbird. We sometimes come to these berries, but no luck today. No mockingbird for the whole Presidio. Again, hoping to get the mockingbird. Holy shit. There's a Cooper's hawk right there on the line. They call house sparrows burger kinglets. We might as well check in the back of this burger place here. Yeah, no house sparrow at Belly Burger. And it's funny to see when you get into the urban landscape what things really do fit, you know? There's a pigeon, a rock pigeon up there. You know, of course, they would be living in rocks in Eurasia and cliffs, but out here, they're living in buildings. You know, a hummingbird might be living in the desert with just a few scattered flowering things around. And here, they're living in a bunch of buildings with a few scattered trees around. 2 orange-crowned warblers, holy shit. 2 orange-crowned warblers, and I gotta get my phone so I can keep recording this on eBirds. Still no house sparrow.
The hummingbird was pooped on.
But this urban birding is actually paying off. We've been seeing a lot of, we've seen 3 accipiters, you know, the little hawks flying around some of these urban areas. We've probably seen 20 or 30 hummingbirds in here. Not much to find here. For our part, we had 108 species in Area 3. 187 species were recorded across the whole San Francisco count circle, totaling over 64,000 birds. Think this is just one day in one area, in one city, in one state. Whether you're counting them or just enjoying them, it's beautiful to think about all the people noticing birds at this time of year.